For many people, coffee is an indispensable part of their morning routine, essential for an effective and productive workday. However, the cup of coffee you're drinking may very well be from this company, Nescafe. With an annual sales of over 11.6 billion USD in 2023, Nescafe holds the #1 market share in instant coffee, with 1 in every 7 cups of coffee made using Nescafe products. What makes Nescafe so successful? Let's explore this company's instant coffee production line with Captain Discovery. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Captain Discovery to dive into fascinating processes from around the world. The journey began in 1930 when the Great Depression appeared. In Brazil, they had to face a massive surplus of coffee beans. At that time, Nestle, a prominent food company, accepted the challenge. On April 1, 1938, Nescafe was introduced in Switzerland with the help of a chemist, Max Morgenthaler, with the task of creating a delicious cup of coffee simply by adding water. However, it was only when World War II began that Nescafe's popularity soared, providing a quick and convenient way to enjoy a hot cup of coffee for the U.S. military rations. Today, Nescafe continues to be a household name, synonymous with instant coffee enjoyment worldwide. Nescafe begins by carefully selecting high-quality coffee beans from various coffee-growing regions around the world. The choice of coffee beans is crucial, as it directly impacts the flavor and aroma of the final product. And now, let's go to the Daily Captain Discovery quiz about Nescafe. The question is, which are the 2 largest Nescafe regional farms in the world? The answer will be revealed at the end of the video. Stay tuned! The selected coffee beans are then roasted to perfection. Roasting is a critical process where the beans are heated to around 180 to 250 degrees Celsius to develop the rich flavors and aromas that are characteristic of Nescafe coffee. After roasting, the beans are ground into a fine powder. This grinding process ensures that the coffee beans are broken down to a consistency that allows for optimal extraction of coffee compounds during the brewing process. The ground coffee is then brewed in large extractors. In this step, hot water is used to extract the soluble coffee compounds from the ground beans, resulting in a concentrated coffee liquid. This brewing process is similar to how one would brew coffee at home, but on a much larger scale, and with precise control over temperature and extraction time. The concentrated coffee liquid is then dried, using one of two methods to create instant coffee. First, it is spray drying. The concentrated coffee is sprayed into a stream of hot air in a large chamber. As the droplets of coffee liquid fall through the hot air, the water quickly evaporates, leaving behind fine coffee powder. This method is efficient and commonly used for producing instant coffee. There's another way, which is freeze drying. Freeze drying is often used for higher-end instant coffees, as it better preserves the flavor and aroma of the coffee. The dried coffee is then carefully packaged to preserve its flavor and freshness. Nescafe offers various types of packaging, including jars, sachets, and canisters, to suit different consumer preferences. And now, here is the answer to the quiz about which are the two largest Nescafe region farms in the world. The answer is Vietnam and Brazil. These two farms account for 60% of Nescafe's coffee output, producing high-quality beans that meet strict market standards. Interesting, right? In response to climate change, Nestlé has set a goal of achieving net zero by 2020 with three main focuses. First, speeding up the transformation of its products in line with consumer trends and choices. Second, scaling up initiatives in agriculture to absorb more carbon. Finally, using 100% renewable electricity. These initiatives reflect Nestlé's commitment to creating a sustainable production process, ensuring high-quality coffee beans while protecting the environment. That's the end of the video. If you want to know more about the process of any brand around the world, like and subscribe to Captain Discovery to ensure you don't miss out on anything interesting.